Come test drive the 2020 NX Hybrid. Safety, reliability, legroom, and a substantial list of technology features are all items you can expect with the Lexus NX Hybrid. The NX Hybrid also maintains the luxury you're used to with Lexus vehicles while pairing it with class-leading fuel efficiency. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, starter type, motor generator, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.